Okay, this tutorial is about how to add video transitions. Transitions are what happens between your shots. So between each clip, instead of just abruptly moving from one clip to the next, what a video transition does is it allows you to crossfade into the next clip or to zoom in and out, and make it kind of like just a smoother transition between shots. So to get to your transitions over here on the right side of your screen, there is a tab that says transitions, and here are all of the types of transitions. Now, you don't want to get too crazy with them. Like there's slides, and each transition, if you click on it and press play over here, it will show you what's going to happen. So for the slide, if I click on it, one shot's going to exit the screen, right, and the next one's going to come on. Let's see, directional wipe, it kind of like fades it in, from on a diagonal. So you can look at all the different transitions, but don't get too crazy with them because sometimes they can actually just be distracting. And things like page curls, those are kind of cheesy, right? So unless you're really doing something about like a children's book or something, your transitions should match kind of what you want to do, what you're saying in your poem. So if your poem is kind of fun and light and happy, like a bubble pattern might actually work for you. But if your piece is kind of more subtle and, kind of more sad or emotional, you might just want to do a crossfade. And that's where one image kind of fades out and the next image fades in. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to drag this crossfade, and you drag it right in between your shots. So see how one clip matches the next one? I just drag it right down in between. Okay, so then when you watch the clip back, this is what it looks like.
I am from Bear Country, from Let Down Your Hair Country.
Okay. And then it also shortens your clips. So you might need to go back and adjust the length of your clips after this.
I am from Bear Country, from Let Down Your Hair Country. Strawberry patch picking.
Okay, I might actually do maybe a dip to black. Dip to black actually makes one thing fade out and the next thing come on. Dip to black is actually the transition you want to use at the very end on your last clip because that will fade out your video. So there's my last shot. I'm going to click on
I
here,
cannot remember.
and then your piece will actually fade out at the end. Okay, so you don't need transitions between every shot, but I would use enough where you kind of, smoothly move from clip to clip, and make sure that's the last thing you do. That's kind of like the final touch on your video.